Hi guys, I'm Ayushi and welcome back to my channel Mandoodle Art. So today's video is all about stationery haul, which is actually birthday gifts from my friends and family. So my birthday was on 2nd October and this year I asked everyone to gift me some art supplies, although everything is selected by me only as per my need, but still I'm excited to see everything inside this box. Personally, I love watching stationery haul because I get to see new items which I was not aware of. So I hope you also find something different from this haul which might be useful to you. So watch this video till the end so that you won't miss any product, and I promise you will get to see something different. I got all of them from Instagram store DN Brothers Stationery Fine Arts, but you can find everything on Amazon as well. So I will try to find a link and provide in the description below so that you can directly use that link and buy them. So without any further delay, let's get started. So this notebook is actually a surprise gift from DN Brothers. I mean, this is such a sweet gesture by them. I can't express my happiness. At first, I thought it was just a rule notebook, but when I opened it, it is actually a colored notebook in A5 size, which is so cool. I have seen scrapbooks in A4 size, but this is the first time I'm seeing the colored scrapbook kind of notebook in A5. So this is very pretty. Thank you so much DN Brothers for making my day. Next up we have is this brush pen from Doms. You all know how much I love Camlin brush pens. So few people recommended me to buy these Doms ones, which is equally affordable. So I thought let's just try them out. This cost me around rupees 200, which is quite good if you're getting a 14 colors, and plus you will get free 5 cans and sheets with them. The colors they have provided includes all the basic shades along with these two pretty colors as well. Personally, I really like this baby pink and this aqua one. The tips are flexible, so you can use it for calligraphy or coloring books. Now let me give you a mini swatch of my favorite baby pink color so that you can judge the pigmentation of these brush pens. So it's a go ahead from my end if you are looking for some affordable and amazing brush pens. So this is called a easel and it comes in different sizes, but I want to keep it as a decor piece on my table, so I got this mini one. So these also I have bought just for the review purpose. These are called as MDF board. So basically it's a wooden finished surface on which you can paint or make mandala or resin art, fluid art. I mean, you can use it for the many purpose. This looks super cool. I'm gonna use them to make dot mandala, and if it go well, I will buy some more.
So I just feel like you to buy more art supplies.
So these are square sketchbooks from Brustro, but not in traditional white and black, but in grey and khaki color pages. I have seen few artists making mandala on these two sketchbooks, and trust me, it looks super amazing. So I wanted to try them out from a very long time. So yeah, here it is. I'm really excited. You can judge from my voice how excited I am to got these. So these also comes in A5 size, but I ordered just this square one. I like square sketchbooks. I also have one in white from Benora. So yes, and I will definitely share my mandalas on Instagram. So make sure you are following me there, and I will try to make some for you too as well. So this is again a brush pen from Brustro, which is called as Aquarel brush pens, which comes in a set of 24. So till this time you must have guessed like how much I'm obsessed with brush pens these days. So literally I use brush pens for all of my drawing these days, like Camlin ones, and then now I will use these also. So just by looking at the color, it is giving me that ocean vibes. So this cost me around 850 rupees after discount. I think the printed price is something different. But yes, so now let me give you a mini swatch. I'm going to use this aqua color. This is pretty, and this is how the nib of this brush pens. It's very pointy, unlike those Doms and Camlin ones. This is a little different. Okay, so I'm trying to do some calligraphy, but it is very difficult to do calligraphy with it. I think I have to practice a lot. But anyways, I'm going to use these to use as a watercolor for my painting, as you can see here. So with the help of water, you can spread these color very easily. So these are called as sponge dabbers. These sponge dabbers are very useful to give texture by just dabbing them in case if you are painting any surface or bottle or your plant pots. Also with the help of this you can give circular pattern to your surface. Here I will put some images for your reference what I have in my mind. So I will paint my plant pots with them and will share in my Instagram stories. Next we have is this masking tape. So if you are not aware of this is a masking tape which you can use to stick on the border of your painting and then peel it off after colors dried out. So it will give basically a border kind of look to your painting and it won't destroy the edges of the paper. And peeling them off is another level of therapy, so do try them. These are pretty basic watercolor sheets of 300 GSM. I have been using them since quite a long time now, so I've just restocked them because from the past couple of months I've been using A5 sheets a lot during my rainbow series. So yeah, it's just a restock. So this is a white jelly roll pens. So if you're not aware, this is used to draw on black surfaces, and yes, I will also use it on my grey notebook. So I have refilled the stock as my previous ones are finished. So this time I bought size 10 instead of 8. Earlier I had of size 8. This is a mechanical pencil from Flair. Very affordable, just costed me around 35. And also this packaging has one free eraser and one lid also, which you can refill once you end up using them. So I got these for my mandalas because till now I've been using 2B pencil. I know I'm telling you all to use mechanical pencil, but I don't have one till now. So yes, I will use them from now on. So these are basic bottle of white acrylic colors from Camlin. So all of my white paints was finished, so I've just restocked them. This time I ordered this big bottle so that it will last me long.
मेरे को इस बार रिस्क लेने का ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल रिस्क नहीं लेने का।
Next we have is this bottle of varnish. In case you don't know, so varnish is basically used to give a protective layer to your painting. So once you are done with your painting, you can just apply it on top of it and it will save it from dust or scratches, and also it will help to intact the actual vibrancy of the colors, so that you can keep it for a longer time and store it also. So here you can see every details is written on the back side of this bottle. These are letters and numbers stencil. I used to have one in my childhood with which I made calendar and projects and all, but someone stole it from me, and after that I never got a chance to use them for my projects or anything, so I never bought them. But now I thought let's just buy one. It's nothing, just an impulsive purchase, but I know I'm gonna use it in many different ways. This is definitely the most useful product for me, not an impulsive purchase, and it is quite affordable, like just for ₹30. I will tell you how I'm gonna use them, but I was also not aware of this scale even existed, so I think you also got to know a different product. So there are some different small circles in this scale which you can use it to make smaller circle in your mandalas. So what happens is actually when I'm making mandala with my free hand, it's not that flawless, but you can see stoppages, but this scale is gonna make my life easier and my mandala a lot flawless. And yes, Like you can see it here, like it's a flawless circle in the middle. I know I can use compass, but like for very small circle, it was very difficult to make it with compass. So yes. So this is another product which I didn't know that even existed. I just thought like there should be one folder file like A4 in which I can put my smaller drawings or A5 drawings. So then I asked DN Brothers like this kind of product they have or not. So yeah, they said yes ma'am, we have this A5 folder file, and I was quite happy. So I'm gonna put all my A5 size mandala, all those rainbow ones, in this one, and it will protect my painting. Oh my god, Tombow brush pens. So these brush pens are on my list since quite a long time, and I never got a chance to buy them for myself because these are a little bit costly. But when my friend asked me like, tell me whatever you want as a good art supply, I said this is on my priority. If you wanna buy me, then this is a perfect gift for me. So I'm super thankful to him that he got me these brush pens. I'm really excited to use them. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoy this. If you do, then please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon for future notification. Till then, bye bye, take care.